Good morning, children. It's time for your EVS class. Children, yesterday in EVS we had done summer season. Now, today we will continue with the other seasons. So, the first season which we are going to do today is, yes, you are correct, it is winter season. So, children, which are the winter months? The winter months are December and January. Okay, children? So, which are the winter months? December and January. Children, during winters we feel cold. Yes, why? Because the air is very cold. Yes, and what happens when the cool winds blow? What will happen? We feel very cold. So to protect ourselves, we wear woolen clothes. Yes, children. So how do we feel in winter? Do we feel hot or cold? We feel cold. Why? Because in winters the air is cool. So children, during the winters in the daytime we like to play in the sun, and we also sometimes go for picnics. Why? Because during the day the sun shines and we feel warm. So that's why we like to play in the sun, and also sometimes we go for picnics. Children, in winters how do we sleep during night? We sleep using blankets or quilts, and we also use heaters to keep ourselves warm. Yes, children. Why? Because in winter nights it's very cold in the nights during winters, and so we may feel warm. What do we use? We use quilt or blanket. What do we use while sleeping? While sleeping we use quilt or blanket so that we may feel warm, and we also use heaters. You know what are heaters? Heaters are electric objects that keep us warm. And children, during winters what type of clothes we wear? We wear woolen clothes. Why? Because woolen clothes keep us warm. We wear woolen hats, woolen caps, woolen gloves. Yes, so that we may feel warm. Children, during winters we like to drink hot coffee. Yes, or hot tea. Yes, and we also sometimes we like to sit around a bonfire. What is this, children? This is called a bonfire. So what people do during winters when people go for camping? Yes, in hill stations what will they do? They will take some wood pieces, they will burn, and they will sit around the fire. So what is this called? This is called bonfire. Why they sit? Because in winters it is cool and we feel warm. Yes, when we sit here in front of the bonfire, how we feel? We feel warm. So children, what do we like to eat and drink in winters? The things that keep us warm. So we like to drink hot drinks like hot coffee, tea, and we also sit around bonfire. Children, during winters in hill station there is snowfall. Yes, we all love snowfall. So where is snowfall? Mostly in the hill stations like in Shimla, in Mussoorie, in Himachal. Okay, children? So what is this? This is snowfall. And children, can you name this? What is this? This is, yes, this is fog. And what is fog? It is thick cloud-like covering that can be seen during the winter morning or evening. Now children, when during winters we used to go to school, in the morning we used to see fog. Yes, so what is fog? It is thick cloud-like cover. What is fog? It is thick cloud-like cover. It is cloud-like. Clear, children? So what is fog? It is thick cloud-like cover, and this can be seen during winter mornings or evenings. Children, now we will start with the next season. So it is the next season, rainy season, and it is also called as monsoon season. So children, which are the monsoon months or the rainy months? July, August and September are rainy months. During these months we have rain. And children, due to heavy rains, there is waterlogging everywhere during rainy season. Yes, what is waterlogging? Waterlogging means when it rains, all the water is collected on the roads. Yes, so what is this called? This is called waterlogging. What is this called? Waterlogging. And sometimes due to waterlogging, we get stuck in the rain. Yes, sometimes our bike stops working or our car stops working. Yes, so during heavy rains, what do we have? Waterlogging. What do we have? Waterlogging. Waterlogging means when water gets collected on the streets. And children, during rainy season, what do we use? We use an umbrella, we wear a raincoat and also gum boots to keep ourselves dry. Yes, to keep ourselves dry. So in rainy seasons, what do we use? We use an umbrella, we wear raincoats and gum boots to keep ourselves dry. So children, now we'll start with the next season. The next season is autumn season. And children, which are the autumn months? The autumn months are October and November. And children, what happens in autumn season? During autumn season, the trees shed their leaves. Shed their leaves means the leaves start falling from the trees. Can you see this picture, children? The trees are falling from the leaves. So which season is this? This is autumn season. Then children, the next season. Now which is the next season? The spring season. So which are the spring months? February and March. So in which months do we see spring? During February and March. And children, what happens during spring season? New flowers bloom. Bloom matlab? Bloom means khilna. Clear, children? New flowers bloom. So what is this called? Bloom. Again repeat. Bloom. So what happens in spring season? Spring season, the days are very pleasant and colorful. And what happens? The flowers bloom and the plants get new leaves. Clear, children? And it's the most colorful season. Why? Because during spring season, new flowers bloom. Clear, children? So children, I hope you enjoyed watching the video and remember to read the lesson. Clear, children? After watching the video, you will read your lesson 3 seasons. So take care and bye-bye.